What's up guys, I'm Paul from the Fixbroz, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Meguiars Endurance Tire Gel. It says that it's long lasting and it gives a high gloss and shine to the tire. It says that its advanced long lasting formula endures even through washing and rain. Eliminates overspray, runs and drips, protects against UV damage and browning. So we've never tried it before. We haven't even opened this bottle, we just got it in the mail, so I just wanted to do a quick review on it. It says to apply on a cool, clean tire, apply medium amount on a foam applicator or soft cloth. So we're gonna be trying it out on this tire. Yeah, I already washed off all that stuff that we put on last time, so don't worry. All you need is a foam applicator pad. It's really soft, works perfectly for applying tire wet. Once we opened it in the box, it really smelled like grape. So it's still packaged. There's still a little seal over here, and it already smells like grape. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. Okay, got it open. Dude, this stuff smells like grape. I don't know, is this supposed to smell like grape? Guys, comment below if you ever had this stuff, because it smells like grape. What if they just put some medicine or something instead of tire wet and scammed us? Guys, you know what's also pretty interesting? Today Chris Fix was doing a live stream on Instagram, and he was doing a live stream with us. He added us to his live stream, so that's pretty cool. Basically we told him about the Project Civic, all that stuff. So anyways, let's try this Capri Sun out on the tire and see how it will work. Okay, so let's take the foam pad. I don't know, maybe I should just put it on the tire. Let's try doing it like that, because it's kind of really pory. I'm just gonna try putting it on there. Yeah, it is kind of like gel, but it's more on the liquid side. When we got it, I thought it's gonna be white gel, or something like that. And it really smells like grape. I don't know, like, maybe some people like the grape smell, but I don't really like the grape smell. And look how much it's cleaning it. That's really good. So this is what it turned out like. Cleaned the tire pretty well. So let's see if we would pour water on it, how it would resist. The water slides right off. Okay, so it did good on the water test. So that's it for this video. Go check out our merch. The link is in the description. Be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press the subscribe button over here. Click on that bell icon, and we'll see you guys next time.